Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Srinivasu SR Chaganti. Is it not a wonderful experience to observe flights flying in the sky? Yes. Have you ever wondered the mechanism and scientific principle that keeps the flights moving with high speed? How do flights take safe landing and takeoff? At what height do flights generally fly in the sky? What are the forces acting on the aeroplane while moving with stable speed? Yes. Without wasting much time, let's try to explore different factors that contribute the aeroplanes to be able to fly in the sky. Flights generally fly at height around 8 to 10 kilometers from the ground. In order to explain the contributing factors that help the aeroplanes flying in the sky, we have to understand the principles of aerodynamics. Aerodynamics is the study of forces and the resulting motion of objects in the air. Lift, gravity, thrust, drag. We know that Bernoulli principle is the principle involved in designing aerodynamic structure of aeroplanes. When the wind is blowing horizontally, the speed of the wind above the wings is more, which reduces the pressure, and the speed of wind below the wings is less, which increases the pressure. The increased pressure causes the wings to be lifted upwards. The upward force that is created by the movement of air above and below the wing. The force that makes the object move towards the earth is called gravity. These two forces are balanced each other that makes the flight move and down. Thrust and drag are two forces that act in horizontal direction and balance each other. Aeroplane braking system consists of wheel braking system, just similar to aid braking system. Automobiles. Aerodynamic braking system, known as reverse thrust, helps the plane down used at the time of landing. As a part of slowing down the aeroplane in the air, pilots generally use spoilers. Spoilers are the panels mounted on the upper surface of the wing, which when extended increase the drag and decrease the lift. Therefore, they are able to make the flight moving up or down. By the way, jet engines move the aeroplane with greater force that is produced by tremendous thrust and causes the plane to fly very fast. All jet engines are gas turbines and sucks air in at the front with a fan. A compressor raises the pressure of the air.